Hello world, it's me, Lil Weezy. Hold on. I'm gonna try to catch the manual focus on this. So I'm gonna do some work tomorrow, Zine. Right now I should be sleeping. The time is like, I don't know if you can see what the time I say. Oh, show you fake me. Phone screen done. But like 8 minutes past 11. I should be sleeping right now. But I don't know every time I have something to do. Um, the night before, like the anxiety, the ADHD, just can't sleep. It's like I just I'm waiting to go do that thing. I'm supposed to wake up like 4 o'clock. So and me know say me pop one of them Advil nighttime day. The wake up thing I go get knock. So it might as well me just try to fall asleep like naturally. So I go try to fall asleep, you know. I don't know where it go. Me have to go watch something and then so maybe the next half hour before me fall asleep actually. But me check back with you in the morning because I bring on with me, you know, while me out in the road, you see me. I get to it. Now it's no time. Yeah? Alright, look a bit. I don't know if I can see what I'm going to like why Google YouTube has served me ads but kickstarted my career in Lithuania. What kind of work they are Lithuania, Bridget? What kind of work? Couch gang. But they are try to find something to fall asleep to. I don't know much people still like me, but I like to have like, you know, like things I talk about space. I play in the background. But I not really need to see people, you just need to have mostly space, even though I not really a watchy. But I just want if it kinda dark. When I do them thing I feel like like when them thing they are playing in the background, my subconscious like I learn things that me feel. So my life I play things where talk about like space and them because something. Or I just play some rainfall with the black on my shoulder. Like all this. This I play while me asleep, you know? The rainfall on the car, like you know, on car and rain. Yeah. Alright, me gonna go try sleep for real this time. Right? So next time when you see me, it's gonna be in the morning when we are touchy treat. I'm trying to find my way. I am up people. Kinda a little bit later for the time when I got 7 minutes. So I get some breakfast. Got a cup of tea right here. And then man I go mash down a bulla, possibly a biscuit. Alright, so man I touchy treat, you know. That's a what you did. Jesus Christ. I'm lock the door and the key inside. Ah, boy, if anything look like me, I have to go switch over to your phone. Just I get a good time for check in with you. I'm having one of the greatest snacks known to man. And if you don't know, bun and banana. We're on a little lunch break, is it? I'm gonna save that thing, yeah. I'm gonna do that thing the way you do that thing, but it don't do that thing, man. Not much not really going on, you know? Feel like I'm soon going home still. I did what I came here to do. Put a like a half day type thing. And I think we just need to get some gas now and then go home. Still I try to work out the thing as best as possible. I remember one day I have to stay and go home. So we can do something more, but I have something I need to go pick up. Like 2 o'clock them time. I mean I have much battery because who forget to bring the battery with them? Me! But me linking up still, isn't it? Certain things in our life you don't get to see it too often. So when you do get to see it, yeah man. You have to take a picture, take a video or something. When you reach right up here somewhere, place the far from things but peace and serenity and you catch all them views yeah. Yeah? My God. Look when all the sea out there so I'm bare sitting. Aight. This game froze, you can see the way we do it. Ja! People, I'm actually, you know, I'm I'm on my way home. I'm gonna stop. Cause I realize I never even like close off the vlog or nothing, and I didn't really get for sure no much because I've been working, you know. I'm getting to it, man. I tell my videographer, I'm tired. I tell my videographer, right? Say videographer. I tell him say the next time I start shooting, me can't stop, you know. There's no stopping, so I'm going. I'm just working, doing everything and anything, like, we just can't stop, you know what I mean? I get to it, man. I mean, I think about it like, too crazy should have been rich, brother. Like, asking you guys for money should never have been a thing. I don't know, I guess I did limit myself and think, say, yo, that are the max me can make. I was doing the minimum. No more do the maximum. Why if too crazy drop a video every day? Just every day. I don't know how that I go, but yeah. Just doing more than I thought I could, you know? Stop box myself in and just like just put out content, brother. Just work. Just friggin' work. That man start the money, you see me? Big up to all that people who are tuning in and I watch the videos. I appreciate them. I love them. Yeah, man, I love them real time, man. Today was a good day. I think I'll go up on the road tomorrow. And the thing when I'm supposed to pick up, when I get to go pick it up. So, if I go on the road, that might be the only reason. I'll go up on the road tomorrow. Or if I go on the road, no, not if. When I go up on the road, I go film. I bring back. Remember, me used to do Kevin tries for the first time. Yeah, I bring back Kevin tries for the first time, and try some different food, drinks, whatever it is, you know. Want to be things where me not have to cook, so we can just get right to it. Remember, me eat bamboo and rotten cheese, the blue cheese and red tete. I bring it back, man. You see me, I stutter. I'm breathing tired. From 4 o'clock I'm up this morning on Touchy Road, and I've been at it all day. I don't think we did bother leave half day like my plan. But I say, oh, might as well make the most of the day, you see me? So yeah, I'm about like 20 or so minutes away from home. I head home now. Miss my daughter. I wanna go see her. She probably I go sleep by the time I reach home. If she never sleep enough throughout the day. Yeah, around them time she start get ready for her milk. Like 8:25, so a milk time I know. When she drink her milk, she drop asleep and then wake up later on. So that's how I go do. I head home now. But big up on yourself, you see me? Yeah, man, big up on yourself, man. Too crazy is at the time working. I don't want to stop again for no reason at all. I just want to keep going, bro. But they always like, me never used to think about the money, but now me have to put the money into play. And if not for me, for the purpose of my child, brother. Yo, when you have a youth, it kind of really, it puts certain things into into perspective. Yeah, man. I remember I said like 1,000% she depends on me. Right? As a parent. Until she is 18. Yeah, on breed nobody that brother. Blood teeth. Yeah, on breed nobody. On don't do it. Till she is 18. I joke have it, man. You see me? If you feel you have it in your powers, brother, get a little youth, man, and be the best father possible. Like, me not lie to you, I am enjoying the experience of being a father. Regardless of the shit I go through, sometimes it's frustrating, but I am enjoying the experience of being a father. I love it. I love Dede. And one of the reasons why I didn't even take up YouTube as a thing was that when I start to have youths, I want Dede to like see them grow up. One, they have to spend that time there with them because it is so important to have that like a bond with your children and them something, brother. It burns my heart for some of the nigga them. I mean, a circumstance sometime while most of them no get to be good fathers, whether it be poverty. But let me tell you something, brother. You see, time, I want currency. You see me? And if you spend it with the people you care about, especially your children, brother, you're not going to regret that investment. So if you don't have no money to take care of them, you see time, you see that like a time there where you can give them. I mean, sometimes someone probably go through shit where when a baby mother a Satan and them now go, a woman scorn, maybe not say Satan, when them say a woman scorned is something, I don't remember what I'm saying right now, my brain fried, but just because of the hurt where uno man put them through while some woman say, yo, uno now get to see you them and them thing there. And to the woman them, uno fi stop them sitting there, see? Dash with that. And if man do them sitting there to dash with that, uno can't use the picnic to spite each other. See? Because at the end of the day, who going to suffer? The picnic. Yeah, man. So even though mother and father now get along, uno fi do the right thing now, make sure you say, uno can co-parent and them something there. Real talk, I talk to some of them now, because I know some woman out there do this sitting here. The first thing most woman brain go to when them and the pitney father like get together is to say, yo, you're not gonna see a youth again. It's just this innate thing where whole on have, You can't help on yourself. Because the emotions lead and then you see them thing. But make the man them see them youth. And if the man them do them thing there, make the woman them see them youth, brother. It is important. The currency of time where a parent can spend with them pitney, very important. Very important. But as me that say, I love being a father, no lie. I'm glad. I don't regret my daughter not in the slightest goddamn way. I love her as a tail, brother. She come through and she make her daddy just emotional. I wonder if I true I want girl. Like if I did want boy, I would have like rough on them thing. But like her presence, like sometimes I look on her and I just cry, brother. Real talk. I just bawl. And when she did that, the night when she was being born, I hold back the tears. But I don't know what she said. It's like she said, alright, you hold back the tears and that day. Watch how you go ball now for the rest of your life. Watch her style I want to put by. Sometimes I just look at her and my eyes they just well up. I think about her and I want to cry. Right now, if I continue to talk for too long, I go ball. That's just, it's an intense feeling of love where I can't explain it. I cannot explain it. And this is why I have so much respect for her mother, and this is why I love her mother so much, because it's the greatest joy she brings in my life, Bridget. Like, me can't explain it.
I cannot explain it. But anyways, with that said, big up all our father them out there we have be fathers. Wanna go and do it. You hear me I tell you no? Yeah man, and to the one them we just a come in a game, enjoy every single moment of it. All the days them when you're frustrated, brother, just say, yeah man, this is it, you know. I tell my brethren, say yo, if I have to give up every single aspect of my dream so that she can realize hers in its fullest potential within a heartbeat, the flick of a switch, faster than light, me dash away all of this. If it guarantees that she are going to see for her future and experience everything in her fullest form, all our dreams and everything. That's some real talk me are going right there. So. But with that said, I'm tired. I need to get home and go see my little daughter and them something there, and also get some food. So we turn on about the music. Niggas try to get at me.
Our way tell you no say big shit popping, all the good shit stopping. Lie them again, the pussy them capping. Too crazy they are, them can't too packing. If I beef them again, tell them say we big packing.